Good morning, dear students. Mr. Mahmoud Azab with you. Our lesson today, review lesson 8.1. Find surface area of three-dimensional figures. Today, the student will be able to find surface area of cylinders, cones, and spheres. Page 448. Remember, how to find the surface area of the cone? Of course, the surface area of a cone equals the base area plus the lateral area. The base area is pi r squared and the lateral area is pi r l, where l is the slant height and r is the radius length of the base. Or there is a shortcut, remember? We can find the volume, the surface area of the cone using this formula, pi r multiplied by r plus l. Now, question 1. What is the surface area of the cone, of this cone? Use 3.14 for pi. Here, in this cone, the radius of the base is 5 meter and the slant height is 13 meter. Write the formula. The surface area equals pi r multiplied by r plus l. Now substitute. And instead of pi, write 3.14 times. And instead of r is 5 and the slant height l is 13. Put the numbers. Now evaluate this expression. Yes, the answer is about 282 and 6/10 square meter. Surface area of a sphere. Remember, the surface area of a sphere equals 4 pi r squared, where r is the radius length of this sphere. Now, question 2. What is the surface area of the sphere in terms of pi? To find the surface area of pi, we'll use this formula, 4 pi r squared, but we must think about where is the radius length. Here, the diameter is given, the diameter is 10. So, what the length of the radius length? The radius length equals half the diameter, of course. So, r equals half d. The radius length equals half the diameter length. So, r equals, what's half the 10? Yes, half the 10 is 5. So, here, 5 centimeter. Now, write the formula. Surface area equals 4 pi r squared. Now substitute, only substitute with 5 millimeter for r. Don't substitute with 3.14 or 22 over 7 because the question says in terms of pi. So the answer is 4 times pi times 5 squared. 5 squared is 25. 25 times 4 is 100. So the answer is 100 pi squared centimeter. The surface area of cylinder. The surface area of cylinder equals 2 base area plus the lateral area. Of course, the base area, the area of the circle is pi r squared. So the area of 2 bases is 2 pi r squared plus the lateral area equals 2 pi rh. Or we can use this shortcut, 2 pi r multiplied by r plus h. Now, question 3. What is the surface area of the cylinder in terms of pi? Before starting, what is the radius length? The radius length is not given. The diameter length is given. The diameter length is 12 inch. So, the first step, find the radius length. The radius length is half the diameter. What's half the 12? Yes, it's 6. So, 6 inches. And the height is given. The height is 15. So, we are ready to find the surface area of the cylinder. Write the formula now. Surface area equals 2 pi r multiplied by r plus h. Now substitute. And instead of r, write 6. And instead of h, write 15. So the answer is 2 pi multiplied by 6 plus 15. Now, evaluate this expression. The answer is 225 pi squared inch. Thank you and goodbye.